Hi there, welcome to Pins and Patience. My name is Jeremy. This is the first video of the Captain's Duty jacket that you would see in Star Trek Nemesis and DS9. I'm making this jacket for a fellow veteran. I've already made that person a vest from the similar series. As you can see here on my dress form, I've had to add a bunch of batting here. And the reason for that is taking into consideration that the person is going to be wearing that vest as well as a shirt underneath. So I'm going to have to add a little more girth. I also think I'm going to have to add some girth here around the shoulders, that way giving him a little more room in the shoulders while he still wears the vest. So that's what I have for now. We're going to get into some stitching here in a little bit, and I will see you in a few minutes.